A Solitaire cache profile picture that will not upload is usually caused by an unsupported image, a blocked permission, an unstable connection, or an app problem. The fastest way to isolate it is to check the image and app permissions first, then restart and update Solitaire cache before trying more drastic fixes. Start with the image itself. If Solitaire cache lets you choose a profile picture but refuses to finish the upload, try a different photo from your device. A problem with one particular image can prevent the upload even when the profile feature is working normally. Choose a standard photo stored directly on your phone, rather than an image that only exists in cloud storage. If the replacement photo uploads successfully, the original image was the likely problem. Next, check Solitaire cache's photo permissions. On Android, open Settings, select Apps, choose Solitaire cache. Then open Permissions. Make sure the permission required to access photos or media is allowed. Android versions can use different permission names, so look for the option that controls photo or media access. On iPhone, open Settings, find Solitaire cache, and check Photos. Make sure the app has permission to access the photo you are trying to use. If access is restricted, change the setting and return to Solitaire cache. After changing permissions, completely close Solitaire cache and open it again. Then try uploading the picture from your profile settings. Your internet connection can also affect the upload. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a reliable Wi-Fi connection, and try the upload again. If it works after changing networks, the original connection was interfering with the upload. You should also check for an available Solitaire cache update. Open Google Play on Android, or the App Store on iPhone, search for Solitaire cache, and install the update if one is available. Then reopen the app and test the profile picture again. If Android is still refusing the upload, clear the temporary Solitaire cache through Settings, Apps, Solitaire cache, and Storage, or Storage and Cache. Select Clear Cache if available. Do not select Clear Data unless you know your Solitaire cache login details. If the profile picture still will not upload after trying a different photo, checking permissions, changing networks, and updating the app, the problem may be with the profile service rather than your device. Contact Solitaire cache support and include the device model, operating system version, app version, and the exact error message. A screenshot of the failed upload can also help support identify the issue. So check the photo first, verify photo permissions, restart Solitaire cache, change your connection, update the app, and clear the Android cache if applicable. If this fixed your Solitaire cache profile picture problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.